When both skirting board and architrave first get made, they are simple blocks of wood strips cut into the desired lengths, height, thickness and a given profile shape to complete the look. At this point, 2 more jobs might be required: to give the skirting a rebate or to prime finish both the skirting and the architraves. This is important as priming the finish can have several benefits for these boards, and it's the preferred option for most customers who purchase skirting boards and architraves. A prime skirting, also known as the undercoating or architrave, refers to a board which has been sanded down from the initial cutting phase, then painted over with a white coat twice to ensure a smooth finish. Therefore, it's ready to have its final coat of paint applied to it. This can be gloss, satin, eggshell, or any other available type of paint which can be applied to the skirting boards or architraves. The reason prime skirting is so popular is the convenience offered by it. With 2 coats already applied, it means customers only need to paint over it once, or they can stick in the skirting or architrave straight away if so desired, and they can also offer up a higher quality finish if sprayed on professionally too. It also looks better from a viewing perspective for those looking to install these into their homes or buildings. The alternative is to buy skirting or architraves that come unprimed. Unprimed skirting and architrave refers to boards which are not coated in white paint and are untreated after being sanded down. If a customer wanted to prime the boards by themselves, this would be ideal since they would have better control of how they would like it to be done. Unprimed boards are also cheaper and quicker to make than adding the additional prime finish. However, due to the time it can take to self-prime skirting or architraves and the cost of buying prime paint and coating it, it may work out cheaper and quicker to have skirting primed for you already. There's very little benefit to having unprimed skirting or architrave unless you need it very quickly for delivery, or if you are happy to save some money and prime or paint the boards all by yourself. Prime skirting or architraves are popular for a reason. They allow customers to receive a nicely finished product while minimizing the time to have the products receive their final coating. This explains why so many would be happy to go with the prime finish and wait a few days extra to receive their goods. If you really want to get the orders quicker, or if you're confident in your painting and finishing skills, the unprimed option is there and can also save you some money in the process. Otherwise, now that you know what prime skirting and architraves are, go get your very own prime product and marvel at the quality of a well-primed board. And that concludes our video. Hopefully you found it useful and insightful, and until next time, we will see you in our next video.